fire, waiting on the wind and the waves in the sky, hoping for a swell, maybe for a foul. Bothering days keep us alive.
Hey guys, long time no talk. I'm currently in Mexico right now. Been here for about like 5 days, and we are at the beach right now, which is why I look really sunburnt and rosy. I also don't have any makeup on, so if I look different, that's why.
Eight.
We've been here for 8 days.
Yes.
Oh my.
Sunday.
Oh wow, yeah. I think we've been here 6 days.
8.
Not 8.
What?
I don't know, whatever.
Days a week.
We're currently at the beach, so I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the hotel. Honestly, it's not that nice. We paid like 50 bucks for it. I won't give the name of it because I do not recommend coming to it unless you're on a budget and you want something super cheap. But yeah, this is a view. The ocean is over there. I don't know if you guys could see through the palm trees, but you guys probably can. This is what it looks like up here. Those are other bedrooms, and then we're right here in the corner. It's honestly really nice. If you're on a budget and you want a really cheap hotel, then I would recommend it. I'm here with my brother. Oh, face the light. There's no one on our floor right now. So I think we're gonna be leaving tomorrow because we have some events that we're doing back in our hometown, and we want to go home and get all that prepared. Coming to the beach was like a last minute thing. So that's why we're here.
It was raining when we left.
Yeah, it was raining when we left. We weren't planning on coming here, but we had already made plans with our uncle, so we just like had to come. But it wasn't our first choice, especially since it was there was a thunderstorm, which we wanted to stay for because it's currently time for the showers over here, and we hadn't seen any rain, like thunderstorm rain, so we wanted to be over there, but we came here instead. But hopefully when we get back tomorrow, it'll still be raining because it was really pretty, and I'll film some of that. But let me see if my dad's not naked anymore. Ponte una camisa, please. I'm gonna give a tour of the room. We saw 2 lizards in our room, which, you know, it's normal, but it's not what we want in our hotel room, so we're not too happy about it. And my mom has a phobia of reptiles, so she ran out a little while ago, which is why she's not in the room right now. Yeah, there is currently a lizard behind our TV, so that's fun. So here's the front door. This is what we just walked through. There's my sister. One bed. The second bed, we have a couch over here. We have this little tiny TV, which the lizard lives behind. You guys probably I can't see it, but it's back there somewhere. My mom and I are going to be staying in this bed because we found a lizard over here by the front entrance, so I'm going to try to stay away from that. Here's my dad. And then got this mirror here. And then the bathroom is here. We got a little toilet. And then our shower. There's me. No, pa. Está en la cama. Oh, Johnny's. Está en la cama.
So I think I got a timeline where it's it.
Yeah?
Check on yours.
I don't think I did. We're gonna go walk around a bit, so maybe I'll film a little bit of that. If I don't, I'll see you guys a little bit later. Our uncle is staying over there, and then our room is right above theirs. See? It's so pretty. The sky. Okay, look at how the sky looks though. Look at the camera. It's crazy. See? I'm a professional vlogger now.
No,
The sky looks so
Not
pretty.
professional.
Okay, the sky looks so pretty though. It looks red. It's so nice. Sorry.
Hey guys, good morning. Do you remember how I said that I would recommend this hotel if you needed a really cheap stay? I don't anymore. I pay a little bit extra. Don't stay here. It was terrible. First of all, it's really humid here in Melaque, which no, it's fine. It's how the town is. But this place did not have any AC. We have a ceiling fan that barely gives any wind, and then we had a standing fan that I'm pretty sure made us sick. And it was really loud, so we could barely sleep. I don't think my dad slept at all. There's lizards on the wall, which is fine because, yeah, it is just lizards. They get into the rooms, but if you have a phobia for lizards or any reptile, do some research and try to find a hotel that doesn't have lizards. But I think no matter what hotel you get here, you're gonna see lizards in your room. But we found 3 in our room, which is fine. Just my mom's terrified of reptiles. What else? Yeah, the room is stuffy. It's so stuffy you can't even breathe. We have like these open closed blinds. I don't know what they're called. If you close them, they still have like a little gap in them, but it feels like you're just like shutting in the whole room, and it makes the room even stuffier. So you have to open them all the way, but if you do that, there is like just this little mesh thing for the bugs not to come in, and it's kind of like a lack of security. Someone could easily slash through it and go into the room and who knows what. But that's just me being obsessed with true crime and thinking someone's gonna do something. But yeah, that if you sleep with these open so your room isn't super stuffy, it's just a little concerning, I guess, if you have a mind like mine and think of the worst possible outcomes. But if you don't, just sleep with those open. Just someone could easily come in. Yeah, it just sucks in here. It was so hot. So I can't get over how hot it was. Sleeping here was like torture. I don't think, yeah, my dad didn't sleep at all. I went to sleep like at 1. My sister fell off the bed, but that's just mainly because she just rolled off the bed. It was kind of funny. Yeah, sleep anywhere else. Stay anywhere else. But with that said, I'm not going to be giving the name of the hotel because I don't want to put them on blast like that, even though only like 13 of you know me or are gonna watch this video. But yeah, don't stay here. The only nice thing about this hotel at all is that the pool is cool. The pool is pretty nice and it's beachfront, so if that's what you're looking for and you don't care about a stuffy room that literally feels like it's choking you to death, I guess stay here. But like, who wants that? So find any other hotel. Any other hotel is better than this place. I think it's like 7 in the morning right now, and my whole family woke up because obviously we all really couldn't breathe or sleep that well, so we're gonna go out and walk around. It's outside is so much fresher than it is in here, so yeah, we're gonna go outside and walk around. I'm just waiting for my brother. He's in the bathroom, and yeah, I can't wait to leave this place. Let's go.
This hotel sucks. Look, they have a sundial though. That's cute.
That didn't work because the thing is covered in front.
They're not dried yet?
No.
Mine aren't either. Oh, a kitty! Hi, kitty. What is the kitty eating?
Alright. Oh, this for her took in there.
I'm gonna go down. Let's go. It's cute. Hi, Pa. No sé. Hi. What? Okay. Well, mine are still super wet.
Really?
Yeah.
Stephanie se lo está poniendo los de ella.
Maybe I left mine in the bathroom. Maybe that's why. Yeah. My tío's room, the windows don't even open.
Wow. I don't know what this is.
I can't film you, so you have your shirt on.
a decir, ahí va.
Aw. These are old hotels that have fallen apart or that are abandoned. I think it's a goodie.
The cramp traveled on my leg.
Yeah. You don't have to get on the wall.
No, I don't want to go anywhere.
Well, that's what I'm saying. He's just gonna.
Samantha's blurry.
Oh, just tap on the screen.
And it's shaky.
Go to our beaches and like that.
Voy a saber otra vez el roble como dar los perros por ahí.
Barrel deep inside it. Put your hands out, gotta claim it. That's a wipeout. Paddle back out to the break. The surf's looking mighty fine. Sunset to Topanga and County Line. Speed down PCH to get there in time. Swim out past the Grums to make it to the takeoff. Catch it, gotta ride it. Getting barrel deep inside it. Patrick Swayze, Johnny Utah, get off my